In today's video, I'm going to teach you Zapier plus Asana, how to use automation to create your daily to-do list, 5 minutes. We'll start inside Zapier. Go ahead and log in so you're on the main dashboard. Zapier is the glue between apps, and the first thing it needs is permission to talk to Asana. That connection lets your automations read and create tasks on your behalf, which is essential for building a reliable daily list. Next, head to connected accounts. In the search bar, type Asana. This area is where you securely link the tools you use so you don't have to copy and paste data or move things manually. Finding Asana here ensures the integration is official and supported, which keeps everything stable. Select Asana and click Allow to grant access. You may be prompted to pick the right Asana workspace if you use more than one. This authorization step is standard. It lets Zapier create tasks, set due dates, and assign items for you. If you ever change your mind, you can return to connected accounts to remove access. For now, keep it connected so we can build the automation. With the connection in place, it's time to create zaps designed for your daily to-do list. Think of a zap as a simple rule. When something happens, do something else. The goal is to capture what matters each day and funnel it into a single focused list in Asana, so you start every morning with clarity. Choose a trigger. This is the event that kicks everything off. For a daily routine, a scheduled trigger works beautifully. Every morning at a set time, the zap runs. If you prefer an activity-based approach, you can use events like New Task Assigned to Me in Asana. Pick whichever reflects how you want tasks to appear on your daily list. As you configure it, give the trigger a quick test so you can see real sample data move through the workflow. Now define the action. Select Asana as the app and choose to create a task. Point it to your daily to-do project or a dedicated section, set the task name in a clear, repeatable format, and map the due date to today so it always lands on your current agenda. Assign it to yourself, add a helpful description, and, if you like, include context, such as source or priority. Keep naming consistent so your list stays tidy and scannable. That's it. You've connected Asana, set a meaningful trigger, and defined an action that builds your daily to-do list automatically so you can focus on doing, not organizing.